Hi, I'm Casey Neistat, and today we're diving into a modern lifestyle trend that's reshaping the idea of family. It's called DINKWAD. That's dual income, no kids with a dog. Now, let's unpack this cheeky acronym and explore why more couples are choosing this path. DINKWAD might sound funny, but it represents a significant lifestyle choice for many. Originating as a playful spin-off from the term dinks, or dual income, no kids, the WAD adds our furry friends into the mix, emphasizing the role pets play in our lives. But why choose this lifestyle? Let's break it down. First, the perks. Dinkwads often enjoy more disposable income. Without the expenses tied to raising children, couples can focus on personal growth, indulging in hobbies, or upgrading their living situation. And let's not forget the travel flexibility. Imagine spontaneous weekend getaways or luxurious international trips, all with your partner and pooch by your side. Speaking of pooches, being doggy parents allows dinkwads to nurture and care, somewhat similar to parenting, but with key differences. There's still responsibility, but it's mixed with a level of freedom not typically found in traditional parenting. And yes, tackling misconceptions is part of the deal. Choosing to be child-free doesn't mean you're shying away from responsibility. It means you're choosing a different kind of commitment. Now, some dinkwads go all out. We're talking dog spas, gourmet treats, and even dog fashion shows. It's not just about having a pet, it's about creating a lifestyle where your dog is as pampered as any family member could be. Preparing your household for a new puppy involves more than just buying a bed and some toys. It's about ensuring your finances are puppy-proofed and that your home is a safe, welcoming space for your new best friend. And what about when you want to jet off on those adventures? Ensuring your dog's care is crucial. Many dinkwads coordinate with pet sitters or upscale dog boarding facilities to make sure their furry friends are cared for while they're away. It's all about planning and loving the life you choose. So, whether you're a seasoned dinkwad or thinking about joining the ranks, remember, it's about designing a life that fits you and your furry family member. If you're curious about more lifestyle insights, or if you're just a fan of seeing dogs living their best life, don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether it's 2 feet or 4 paws, family is what you make it.